Okay. If you look down here, see all the oil on the ground? In that 4-liter jug? I went to change my primary. And I cut the side out of that 4-liter jug. And I'm thinking, that should be lots. Come on. Anyway, I'm thinking that should be lots because the primary is supposed to hold the liter or a quart for you Americans. So 1 liter, 1 quart, that's all the primary is supposed to hold. I got a 4-liter jug, which is a gallon, and it pissed over onto the ground. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And before you ask, yes, it was done at the Harley shop because they had to do work on my starter and stuff under warranty. So they did the starter under warranty and they filled the primary up. That's the same Harley shop that put my front tire on backwards. I started hydroplaning when I was out east because the tire was on backwards. Instead of pushing the water out, it was pulling the water in under the tire. So again, they used my warranty and put a new tire on it free of charge to me. But I can't believe it. Fucking gallon of oil in the primary when it takes 1 quart. So it just goes to show, if you want it done right, do it yourself. Jesus Christ. I don't know how they got a gallon in there. They must have had to lean the bike over on its side to get a gallon in there. Fuck me. Makes me shake my head, man. Think a fucking dealer would know better. Anyway, I thought the oil was getting old, so I was having problems shifting. Especially at a stop finding neutral. So I thought my oil was just getting too old, and so now I'm starting to think maybe it was just too goddamn full and it wouldn't let the clutch off. So we're gonna go for a ride, get it warm, and then see what it does. And I was wondering because the whole goddamn primary was starting to would burn my foot. And the exhaust from the back cylinder goes down under the frame, right under the transmission, over to the left and then out the back. So I guess the heat from that was heating that 1 gallon of oil up, and then it was becoming like a heater. Because fuck, an hour later you couldn't touch that with your foot. So it's unbelievable. I couldn't believe it had a gallon of oil in there. Man, oh man. Unbelievable. Anyway, my rant's over. On to the testing. Neutral a lot easier. Fucking boneheads.